What if I told you that one of the most reliable sedans in the world just became smarter, smoother, and more fuel efficient than ever, without losing what made people love it in the first place? This is the 2026 Honda Accord. And today, we're taking a full look at why this car still dominates. The midsize sedan conversation in 22.6. At first glance, the 2026 Accord looks familiar, but the more you look, the more refined it feels. Honda has sharpened the front end with slimmer LED headlights and a cleaner grille design that gives the car a wider, more confident stance. The body lines are smooth and understated, avoiding flashy gimmicks while still feeling modern and premium. Sport-oriented trims add darker accents and aggressive wheel designs, giving the Accord just enough attitude without sacrificing its professional, grown-up appeal. Step inside, and the biggest upgrade is instantly noticeable. The cabin feels more open, more tech-focused, and more comfortable than ever before. A larger infotainment screen now sits front and center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, making phone connectivity effortless. The layout is clean and intuitive, with physical controls where you actually want them, so you're not distracted while driving. Materials feel solid and upscale, especially in higher trims, and there's plenty of legroom both in the front and the back, making it ideal for families or long commutes. Under the hood, Honda gives buyers options depending on what matters most to them. The standard turbocharged engine delivers smooth and confident power for daily driving, easily handling city traffic and highway cruising. Acceleration is responsive without being aggressive, making it comfortable and predictable for drivers of all experience levels. The transmission focuses on efficiency and smoothness rather than splittiness, which suits the Accord's personality perfectly. Where the 2026 Accord truly stands out is in its hybrid variant. This system blends a gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver instant torque, quieter operation, and impressive fuel efficiency. In everyday driving, the hybrid feels effortless, especially in stop-and-go traffic where electric power takes over. You get strong performance when you need it, but fewer trips to the gas station, a combination that makes the hybrid Accord one of the smartest choices in its class. On the road, the Accord feels stable, planted, and comfortable. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and road imperfections without feeling floaty, while the steering remains light and easy, perfect for long drives or urban environments. Wind and road noise are well controlled, giving the cabin a calm and relaxed atmosphere even at higher speeds. Safety and driver features are a major focus for 2026. The Accord comes equipped with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic jam assistance. These features work quietly in the background, helping reduce driver fatigue and increasing confidence without feeling intrusive or overwhelming. Practicality is another area where the Accord continues to shine. The trunk is spacious enough for groceries, luggage, or road trip gear, and the rear seats fold down to provide even more flexibility. Storage compartments throughout the cabin are thoughtfully placed, making everyday use easy and convenient. Of course, no car is perfect. Some drivers may wish for a more powerful, performance-focused version, especially those who remember older V6 Accords. Others may feel that certain premium features should be standard across more trims. But for most buyers, these are minor trade-offs in an otherwise well-balanced package. In terms of value, the 2026 Honda Accord remains competitively priced, offering strong reliability, excellent fuel economy, modern technology, and high resale value. It's a car designed not just to impress on day one, but to remain dependable and enjoyable years down the road. So, is the 2026 Honda Accord exciting? Not in a loud or flashy way. Instead, it's confident, refined, and incredibly well thought out. It proves that a sedan doesn't need to be extreme to be excellent. It just needs to do everything right. If you're looking for a car that blends comfort, efficiency, technology, and long-term reliability, the 2026 Honda Accord still deserves a place at the top of your list.